Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Gujarat, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi.
Hello, Vadodarians. Thank you so much for the overwhelming response from the industry fraternity. We have another 300 industry members sitting in the auditorium. Honorable Chief Minister Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, dignitaries on and off the dais, members of the Federation, ladies and gentlemen. I am humbled that in spite of your extremely busy schedule, you have consented to address the industry fraternity at the Federation. આપનું એફજીઆઈમાં સ્વાગત કરતા હું ધન્યતા અનુભવું છું. આપે ઉદ્યોગોને ખૂબ પ્રોત્સાહન આપેલ છે. આ ઔદ્યોગિક સંસ્થાન આપનું હૃદયપૂર્વક સ્વાગત કરે છે. Gujarat, the land of legends, has truly become the epicenter of economic activities. The vibrancy and buoyancy of Gujarat's economy is unmistakably clear, supported by strong entrepreneurs, culture of its people, strong infrastructure focus of the state government, visible thrust on inclusive growth and proactive governance, which has provided the state with an exponential growth trajectory. The success story of Gujarat stands out among the other Indian states as one of the most dynamic growth stories. With 5% of Indian population and 6% of country's geographical area, Gujarat contributes 16% of India's industrial output, 23% of India's exports, 35% of pharma products, 51% of chemical production, 62% of India's chemical production, has the biggest grassroots refinery in the world. 2 out of the 3 energy terminals in India are in Gujarat, and 2 more coming up. The only state with an integrated statewide gas grid network. Gujarat, with 100% rural electrification, has uninterrupted power supply throughout the year. We are also a power surplus state. Gujarat has achieved an impressive agricultural growth of 10.97% against the national average of only 3%. Dr. Kalam has recently praised the agriculture turnaround story of Gujarat, calling it an eye-opener for the entire nation. The water table has risen by 10 meters due to various initiatives taken by the government. Gujarat today is on the threshold of becoming the speed capital of India, one of our Honorable Chief Minister's dreams getting accomplished, with major auto companies flocking to invest in Gujarat. Gujarat, the global hub of diamond industry, the world's largest shipbreaking yard in Alang. Also, the DFC, DMIC, and the special industrial regions are all being fully leveraged for development of the state with enormous investment opportunities. Numerous schemes have been announced for MSMEs to make them globally competitive. Gujarat has rightly earned the title as the growth engine of India. Well, talking about Vadodara quickly, Vadodara enjoys a special place in Gujarat, a unique city known for its diversity and quality of life, a rare mix of culture and automation, seat of education and excellence. Vadodara has always been a hub of chemical, petrochemical, and pharma, and fast-moving to be an important engineering and auto industrial hub, not only in Gujarat, but the entire nation. Vadodara is also developing into an IT hub, immense potential for agro processing, biotech, and medical tourism, and is a major benefactor of the dedicated freight corridor and DMIC. We would therefore like to call Vadodara a complete investment destination. Bloomberg TV has recently identified 8 cities in India as the cities of the future, and Vadodara is one of them. To say a little about Federation, Federation was founded in the year 1918. 93 years ago, we embarked on a journey to fulfill the aspirations of trade and industry in and around Gujarat. Way back in 1947, I would just quickly mention a few milestones. Way back in 1947, Federation donated 95 lakhs for setting up the Faculty of Medicine and Textile Technology in Maharaja Sayajirao University. In 1958, we made a strong representation to the union government to set up the Gujarat refinery, and when the oil was stuck at Ankleshwar and Khambat, and we see the Gujarat refinery which came up in Baroda. FGI set up the first Citizens Council in India in 1966, also promoted United Way of Vadodara and Federation Samaj Kalyan Trust, all three NGOs doing commendable work in and around Baroda. 1975, Cooperative Bank of Baroda was established and sponsored by Federation. Lastly, consequent to the success of the Expo 2010, organized under the aegis of Vibrant Gujarat 2011, FGI is now poised to organize second edition of the flagship event, Expo 2012, with specific focus on agro and auto, again as a precursor to Vibrant Gujarat Investment Summit 2013. FGI also has organized in the recent past 3 knowledge-seeking national conferences on business ethics and corporate governance, National HRE Conclave, and National Electrical Summit. To make a mention, every speaker at the Electrical Summit was in awe of the power scenario in Gujarat. We must give a big hand to the state of the government of Gujarat. Gujarat is the torchbearer in promoting renewable and non-conventional energy sources. In yet another stride, Gujarat's bid to become a solar capital, our Chief Minister has dedicated 500 megawatt solar power plant to the nation. Federation instituted 9 Excellence Awards in '93 and have given recognition to entrepreneurs and organizations for contribution in their respective fields. A prestigious event at the Federation. Keeping abreast with times, we have added 5 more awards: Women Empowerment, Girl Child, Agriculture, and Innovation in Pollution Control and Corporate Social Responsibility. Our Chief Minister, I would once again, Honorable Chief Minister, I would once again like to welcome and thank you for gracing the awards function and the inauguration of the Investment Help Desk at the Federation. Finally, by saying that your vision, your initiatives, your guidance, your leadership, and your personal sacrifices have made Gujarat gain the momentum. There is no stopping for us. There is no looking back for us. We want this stability and continuity in leadership. As a token of our gratitude on behalf of FGI and all of us present here, I would like to present a fortune plan and a memento to our Honorable Chief Minister. We now begin with the awards ceremony.
Chief Minister is fast evolving. With a pro-growth government, barriers are being eliminated by the government itself. In such a scenario, the role of the association increasingly evolves to that of facilitation, information dissemination, and handholding. Federation of Gujarat Industries, keeping in line with the changing times, in collaboration with the District Collectorate, Vadodara has set up an investment facilitation desk for new as well as existing companies interested to invest in Vadodara district. The role of the investment desk will be to attract and facilitate investments in the district. The investment desk will have 2 primary divisions, land desk and the operations desk. The operations desk will handhold investors on applications, permissions, and compliances related to power, excise, VAT, labor department, industry department, customs, and DGFT. This effort will be facilitated through a panel of expert advisors and consultants. One of the primary barriers to growth today is availability of clear land. Not only is identification of suitable land a challenge, but there are several challenges pre and post purchase of land by an investor. This scenario is greatly contributed by lack of necessary knowledge of various laws and procedures that have to be complied while purchasing land. FGI and District Collectorate Vadodara propose to set up a separate land desk as a part of the investment desk to ensure information dissemination and hand-holding to the potential investor. May I now request our Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate the Investment Help Desk by unveiling the plaque. May I also request Collector Vadodara to join us on stage. Yeah. District Collector and Federation of Gujarat Industries have joined hands to initiate a first of its kind venture to assist existing and potential investors in the district. As a part of this initiative, we have come out with a handbook titled Land Provisions in Gujarat that facilitate industrial investments. May I now request the Honorable CM to release the handbook. Ladies and gentlemen, we are extremely proud that Vadodara Collectorate has become one of the very few collectorates in the state which has been recommended for ISO 9001-2008 certification for empowering citizens through proactive governance. This is yet another manifestation of the state government's commitment towards ushering in proactive, pro-people, good governance in the state. May I now request the team of Vadodara Collectorate to come up on stage for the presentation ceremony. Another successful initiative towards bringing Vadodara as the complete investment destination within Gujarat was made by a team of young and promising professionals under the banner of Cognito. I request Harsh Purohit and Team Cognito to come on stage and present the CD of the film titled Big Little City to the Honorable Chief Minister. Another outcome of the collective conscience of Baroda is the United Way of Vadodara. The United Way is an offshoot of the Federation of Gujarat Industries. I request the chairman and vice chairman of United Way, who are also past presidents of the Federation, to present a memento which embodies the vibrancy of Vadodara to the Honorable Chief Minister. United Way of Vadodara is doing extensive work in the field of education, health, and income generation. Ladies and gentlemen, now is the moment we have all been waiting for. May I request Sri Narendra Bhai Modi, our Honorable Chief Guest, to deliver the keynote address. Thank you.